We need 2 glasses water, salt, 2 lemons. Now pour some water into 2 glasses. Now take 1 lemon and put into the glass. We can see the lemon sank. Because the density of the lemon is greater than the density of the liquid that the fresh water. Now we can add some salt into the second glass. Now mix it well. Now we can put lemon into the second glass. Now the lemon didn't sink. Why? Because the density of the liquid is more than the density of the lemon.